Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel a flight on Flair Airlines. Here are the steps to cancel a flight on Flair Airlines. The first thing you need to do is to open your browser and go to Flair Airlines website at flyflair.com. Then in the top right corner, go ahead and click on sign in to sign into your account. So enter your email and password, then click on login. If you booked without creating an account, just go ahead and use the manage booking option. That's the my booking option, and enter your booking reference number and last name to access your booking. So once logged in, then navigate to the my booking section, which we have in here, and that's going to take you to a window where you have all your bookings organized and where you can manage your bookings. Now, locate the flight you wish to cancel if you have your bookings. All right, so locate the flight you wish to cancel by selecting the booking from your list of reservations. All right, but if your booking doesn't automatically appear, then you can manually enter your reservation number and your surname, then click on find my trip button. So once you do that, after it's going to take you to the booking details for that flight. After accessing the booking details, look for the cancel flight option. So click on cancel flight or request cancellation depending on your current update. So a prompt will appear with the airline's cancellation policy, including any applicable fees or refund rules. Review the details carefully to understand if you are eligible for a refund or credit depending on your fare class, example, basic, standard, or premium. If there are fees for canceling your flight, they will be displayed here. Now, once you agree to the terms, click on confirm cancellation or cancel booking. If applicable, provide any further details or select a refund method. So refund to original method or credit for future travel, any one of that. Now, after confirming the cancellation, you will see a cancellation confirmation on the screen. A confirmation email will be sent to you, including details about your refund or travel credit, if applicable. If you're eligible for a refund, the email will explain the process and the time it will take to receive the refund. If you receive the travel credit, log into your account to view and manage your travel credit for future bookings. And that's it. Refund eligibility depends on the fare type you purchased. So basic fares may not be refundable, while standard or premium fares may offer partial or full refunds. Go into tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.